North Country Wilderness Rec has been around this is our 44th year. And the great thing about this program is that we're doing it. We're out actually practicing it, we're paddling, we're setting up tents, we're cooking our own food, and we're surviving in the elements. Students can get involved in anything from a backpacking course where we're out in the beautiful fall foliage to a backcountry skiing course where we're out in the deep powder snow up in the high peaks. And through that, students are learning directly.
My time at North Country has been an absolute whirlwind of joy and fun. My classes have been exactly what I want. It's been really wonderful learning under my instructors. I feel really lucky and grateful to be a part of this program.
It is stunning. It's amazing to be able to be outside and to have like a hands-on learning environment. Super physically demanding and just super fun.
These students are learning how to communicate with one another. They're learning the leadership techniques. They're learning how to hash out differences that they have. And not only is that awesome for the rest of the expedition, but they can take those skills and that skill set back out to whatever they're doing in their normal life, whether that's their job, their family, and the rest of their college classes.
It gives us the chance to really get the experience of what it's going to be like when we're leading groups of our own out in the wilderness.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You're going to build amazing skills, leadership skills, team building skills, communication skills. There's no other experience like that.
There's nothing better than seeing these kids graduate after 2 years with all the experience that they now have and kind of moving on and taking on the world in many, many ways.
My goal upon graduation from North Country of the Wilderness Recreation Program is to have my guide license and start my own business.
I would love to be leading groups in the wilderness. It's almost a spiritual experience for me to just be able to sit around a campfire and tell stories until the fire goes out.